Welcome to the factory. Today, I'll show you the mesmerizing process of how giant, multi-layered jawbreakers are made, step by step.
The process of making candy in factories has been revealed. Watch the entire candy-making process. You'll be shocked.
The final candies are then individually wrapped to preserve their shine and hygiene.
A lollipop is a type of hard candy attached to a stick, especially popular among children. Its bright colors, shiny appearance, and fruity flavors make it one of the most loved sweets around the world. Lollipops are commonly produced in flavors such as strawberry, orange, lemon, apple, and watermelon. Their fun shapes and long-lasting taste make them different from other candies.
Every giant jawbreaker starts with a tiny, solid sugar core. The cores continuously tumble while robotic nozzles spray boiling hot, flavored color syrups.
Lollipops are mainly made from sugar, glucose syrup, and water. These ingredients are heated and boiled at high temperatures in large kettles. When the mixture becomes thick and transparent, flavorings and food coloring are added. The hot liquid candy is then poured into special molds, and a stick is placed inside. After cooling and hardening, the lollipops are individually wrapped and prepared for sale.
This process of spraying and drying is repeated dozens of times with different colors to build the candy layer by layer.
It can take up to 20 days of continuous tumbling and spraying for the Jawbreaker to reach its final massive size.
It is also possible to make simple lollipops at home. Sugar and water are boiled until they reach a thick consistency. Lemon juice and flavoring can be added if desired. The mixture is poured onto baking paper. A stick is placed in it, and it is left to cool. Once hardened, the homemade lollipop is ready.
To give them their iconic look, a random splatter of bright colors is flicked onto the solid white background.
The candies are rough and matte. To make them shine like glass, they undergo a specialized polishing process.
To ensure perfect layer distribution, one Jawbreaker from every batch is sliced open.
However, excessive consumption of sugary products may harm dental health. Therefore, lollipops should be consumed in moderation. With their colorful appearance and sweet taste, lollipops continue to be one of children's favorite foods.
The final candies are then individually wrapped to preserve their shine and hygiene.
Excessive consumption of lollipops and other sugary candies can cause health problems. Their high sugar content may lead to tooth decay and damaged tooth enamel. Too much sugar can also contribute to weight gain, blood sugar imbalance, and increase the risk of diabetes in the long term. Artificial colors and flavorings may cause sensitivity or allergic reactions in some children. Therefore, lollipops should be consumed in moderation.
And that's how a tiny sugar grain becomes a giant jawbreaker. Thanks for watching our factory tour.